So we will do one more problem using Euler's method. So the given problem is like this: solve dy by dx is equal to 2y plus 3e power x, given y of 0 is equal to 0. That means that x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. X naught is 0 here, y naught is 0. Okay, this is the initial value problem. We have to find out the value of y. X is equal to 0.1 and 0.2, but we have to take the interval, the increment as h is equal to 0.05. So since he has asked the value at 0.1, so first we have to get the value of y at 0.05, then we have to get the value of y at 0.1, then we have to get the value of y at 0.15, then only. Okay, so we need 4 values. Increment is 0.05. So this is your y1, this is your y2, this is your y3, this is y4. So he has asked this value and this value. So directly we cannot get because increment is fixed here. So depending on the value of the increment h, we have to decide how many trials and iterations we have to do. So we will use the same formula. This is the formula for Euler's method. So let us take one by one. So this is at x is equal to 0.05. This is at x is equal to 0.1. This is at x is equal to 0.15. And this is at x is equal to 0.2. So all these 4 values we have to find out. Now let us take one by one. The first step. So put n is equal to 1. Correct. Put n is equal to 1 means x is 0.05. So first value. So we are getting y1 is equal to, put n is equal to 1 here, y1 is equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 comma. So here let us substitute now the value of y0. So this is the y0 value, it is 0 given, 0 plus h here is 0.05 into function of x0 is 0, y0 is 0. Okay? x0 is 0, y0 is 0. Now, this is 0, this is 0.05 into, now function of 0 comma 0 means, in this function, this is your f of x comma y. So in this case, in this problem, f of x comma y is 2y plus 3 power x. So put y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0 in this. So that means you are getting 2 into 0 plus 3 into e power 0. Got it? 2 into 0 is 0. E power 0 is 1. E power 0 is 1. Any number that is equal to 0 is 1. So 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into 0.05. 0.15. I think this is the answer. Okay? This is the first answer. Now second, put n is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 2. That is at x is equal to 0.1. Next increment. Second value. So if you put n is equal to 2, y2 is equal to y1 plus h into f of x0 plus h comma y. This is the formula. Okay. Now y1 is this 0.15 plus h is 0.05 into function of this. So function of x0 plus h. x0 is 0 plus h is 0.05. So this becomes 0.05. y1 is 0.15. So very careful. Now this becomes 0.15 plus 0.05 into. Now we have to get the value of this function. In this function, 2y plus 3e power x, put x is equal to 0.05 and y is equal to 0.15. So it becomes 2 into 0.15 plus 3 into e to the power of 0.05. So use the calculator, find out this value. First you do this, then multiply by that, then add. That is the value of y2. So e to the power of 0.05.
3.453
Final,
ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3.4.
This one into 0.05 into 0.05 then plus 0.15. What is the answer?
0.322.
0.322
6.
6 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
9.
5 digits. Let us take 5 digits because the values are very very small. So sometimes we will ask the problem itself up to 5 digits or up to 4 decimal places. So let me take up to 5. So this is the second value. And third value, put n is equal to 3. Put n is equal to 3. That means x becomes 0.15. Correct? Third value, 0.15. So y3 is equal to y2 plus h into f of x naught plus 2h. One more h, 2h, comma y2. Yes. So it is y2 now, here it is 0.32269. That value you have to take. So z is 0.05 into function of x naught is 0 plus 2h. 2h is 0.1. Comma y2 is once again 0.32269. Now get the value of the function 0.32269 plus 0.05 into. So in this given function 2y plus 3 e power x, put x is equal to 0.1 and y is equal to 0.32269. So 2 into 0.32269 plus 3 e to the power of 0.1. Yes, this you have to simplify. To simplify that, you will get the value of y3. That is value of y at x is equal to 0.15. So e to the power of 0.1. Into 3 plus 2 into, be very careful in case computation, do it slowly.
0.4296.
Huh?
0.4296.
4296. E to the power of 0.1. What is the value of e to the power of 0.1? E to the power of 0.1 is
1.105.
1.105 into 3. Correct.
Into 3. 3.314.
Plus 2 into
Plus
0.32269 into 0.05 plus 0.32269. 0.52073 was that's it.
5207. Correct.
Fourth one. Put n is equal to 4. X is equal to 0.3. Last value. y4 is equal to y3 plus h into f of x naught plus 3h. Then y3. So that is y3 is this value 0.52073 plus h is 0.05 into function of x naught is 0, 3h is 0.15. Okay, comma y3 is 0.52073. Now get the value of the function. It is 0.52073 plus 0.05 into function of this. This is your x, this is your y in that function. So 2 times 0.52073 plus 3 into e to the power of 0.15. Yes. E to the power of 0.15 into 3 plus 2 into 0.52073 into 0.05 plus 0.52073.
0.7470.
0.74708. Okay, 780 it becomes 8. So that is the answer. So this is the final answer. Okay, this is the value of y at x is equal to 1. So this is one answer. This is another answer. Another is this. Value of y at x is equal to 0.1. And so these two are also find y of 0.1 is this value, y of 0.2 is this value. So directly you won't get, depending on the value of x, you have to decide how many times you have to use it. That is the answer, 0.74708. So this function may be given anything. Here it is a combination of algebra and exponential. So such functions are called as transcendental functions, sometimes trigonometric, logarithmic. Anyway, any value you get from the calculator, just you have to substitute it.